Hey guys, how's it going? You guys know the drill. Smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and comment down below. All right, today I want to talk about a topic that I've gotten to in the past, but I want to tie everything for the past week that I've been talking about. I've been talking about Bitcoin, I've been talking about sports cards. Now I want to introduce this funny money supply. But before I do, I want to show you price of Bitcoin again. Right? You see Bitcoin, how it was going up and then gradually slowed down, right, in the last few months. And and the sports card market has been going down the same way. Just to refresh your memory from the Bitcoin chart. But now here's the funny money supply chart. I'm going back from 2015. So 2015, you see how it gradually increases, and then you saw a huge spike up this year or last year, and then you see a gradual increase now. It's not increasing the way that it was earlier. It is increasing, but not to the extent of this huge spike up. That was huge, right? Money supply is increasing, but it's not increasing at the same rate. So, what my thought process was is the slowdown in the increase of money supply one of the reasons why the sports card market, Bitcoin, and you could even look at the Nasdaq. Is that one of the reasons why we're seeing a slowdown in these markets that were once hot? And I'm thinking that it may be. And there are other reasons why sports cards are going down. I've highlighted it. Things are starting to open back to normal. But I wanted to read you some statistics about this funny money supply. Money supply slowed in March of this year. This is a 10-month low. March 2021, year-over-year growth in money supply was 34.1%. Okay, still strong. February's rate was 39.1%. So you see that slowdown, even though it's increasing, it's not increasing at the same rate. And this is what a lot of people in the finance industry, they look at stocks. If they see their revenue increasing but not at the same rate, they don't look at it as a positive light. Another thing, annual growth in real M2 money supply contracted from its February high 25% to 13.8%. Okay, so you're seeing downward move. Annual growth in nominal money supply down from 27 to 18%. Higher inflation reduced money supply. So I'm just reading from various sources that I've read online, some on Mises, some economic group analysis. So here's the thing. I want to look at this more. I want to see more data of this. I want to see, okay, is money supply one of the reasons which is causing, this thing to go down? Less money out there because of inflation and whatnot. Is this causing a reduction in the price of sports cards? I want to look at this analysis more, and the reason is I invest in sports cards, I collect sports cards. I want to buy at the lowest price possible. Am I going to get the bottom? No. At the same time, I have a bunch of cards on my wish list right now. For instance, from a collecting perspective, I'm looking at this Dennis Rodman die cut card from, I think, 97. It's a cool looking card, right? What brings back good memories of my childhood, I've talked about before, is the Bulls teams. And I'm going to be doing videos with my buddy John in the future about the Bulls teams from the 90s. And we're going to do other videos as well. And I just want to collect those because, once again, it makes me feel good. And I'm not investing in them. Now, in the investment end, I want to look at some of the older Jordan cards, 84 star cards from BGS. BGS now grades them. Or BGS is the only company right now grading them. When I look at money supply, when I look at all of these charts, I see all of this analysis out there. At the end of the day, I want to buy low so I save more money, and if I'm investing in a card, I want to sell high. A lot of people, they bought high and they're trying to sell higher. They're trying to do what hedge funds do from an investment point of view. Some people, yeah, they're still collecting, right now, I still don't see that much value in collecting as of this minute because everything is so expensive. Unless you're buying a cheap card that's not graded, okay, that's fine. But if I'm buying something that's graded, everything right now is overinflated. Yes, we've seen a correction, but that correction is still high in my opinion. Will we probably get a dead cat bounce? I do believe so. And some people say that this market will go higher for the next 2 years. We shall see. But one thing I definitely want to look closely at, I want to see, is money supply. Is that going in the same? Will it continue to go in the same trend as sports cars? That's what I'm quite interested in. And I follow the stock market, as all you guys know. You know, I talk about sports. I mean, the stock car. I mean, the S&P 500, the stock market on my other channel. I talk about gold and silver. I like looking at these trends. That's why I try to combine sports cards and the markets. Some people say it has no relationship. I do believe there is a relationship, especially with this funny money out here. Next few months, I'm going to be doing some more digging on this, and I would not be surprised if you see this money supply have a good relationship with sports cars. And if we see sports cars rising and we see money supply rising, that may be a good indicator that it does definitely have an effect. And it was not only last year, and it will continue on in the foreseeable future. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think. Smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and comment down below. All right, guys, thanks. Bye.